everyone, welcome to a new video. Let's begin with our book Knowledge World, a course book of general knowledge for class 6 by Seraphic Era Publications. Hello everyone, let's begin with another chapter today, that is chapter number 16, Modern Gadgets. In our day-to-day life, we use some or the other gadgets, and nowadays we are getting so many types of gadgets. Now in this chapter, we are going to study about various types of gadgets, and after reading about them, we will write the name of that particular gadget. So let's begin with the exercise. The question says, using the pictures as the clues, read about these trendy gadgets and name them. So let's begin with the exercise now. The first one given over here speaks that you can read a book available in electronic format using this device, and the name of this device is Kindle. So this is the gadget. It looks like this. You must have seen this with the teachers, or you must also have at home. If you don't have, you should use this gadget. It is an electronic gadget and it has electronic format. You can read books through this gadget. The next gadget is a touch screen with a virtual keyboard. This sleek gadget from Apple was voted the invention of the year by Time magazine in 2007, and this is what? It is the iPhone. Next, we have this gadget is a valuable navigational aid, and it uses these satellite signals to fix your location. It also helps you find your way to a destination using the interactive maps. And what is this gadget called as? This is called as the GPS navigator. Well, the fourth one is, it is an ultra portable computing device, and typically it is with a touchscreen interface. It has intermediate size between a laptop computer and a smartphone. So the size is from in between the laptop and a smartphone, and what it is known as a tablet. The fifth one is, it is a line of video game console devices designed by Sony to compete with other gaming platforms, and this device looks like this. And what's the name of the device? All your favorite, the PlayStation. This is called the PlayStation. This was all about the various types of gadgets. Let's now talk about the quick fact. And the quick fact of this chapter is, Blue Launch Mini Dock charges a mobile without a cord, though requiring an electrical outlet. So this was all about the chapter, children. I hope you must have liked it. Thank you. Thank you everyone for watching the video. Stay tuned till the next video. Until then, take care and goodbye.